In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello's text editor effectively. Imagine you've just opened a card in Trello, ready to organize your thoughts or share important information. The first thing you'll notice is the text fields, which could be anywhere from the description area to the comments section of the card. As soon as you click into these text fields, something magical happens. The text editor appears at the top. This is your toolbox for crafting content. Let's dive into the options available to you in this editor. Right at the top left of the field, you'll find a drop-down menu. This menu is where you can adjust text sizes, offering you several heading options to ensure your text stands out precisely how you want it to. Whether you need to emphasize a title or perhaps a subheading within your content, these heading sizes provide a structured and visually appealing hierarchy. Now, moving along, a bit further down this toolbar, you'll encounter options for different text formats. You have the ability to embolden your text for emphasis, italicize it for style, or highlight nuances, strike through text for items you've completed or decisions made, or even format it as code if you're sharing snippets or commands. Each of these options can help bring clarity and focus to your text, making it easier for your audience to understand your message. For those who prefer organized information, you can create bullet or numbered lists. These are perfect for outlining steps, listing tasks, or summarizing important points. Lists can transform a wall of text into digestible chunks, which is especially helpful if you're collaborating with a team and need clear action points. Additionally, the text editor is not just limited to text formatting. You can insert hyperlinks and images, enriching your content with valuable resources or visual elements that can convey your message more powerfully. Let's not forget about some other handy features in this editor. You can tag team members using mentions, integrate fun with emojis, add code snippets for technical notes, or include quotes to highlight significant pieces of information. These elements can enhance interaction and ensure that your content is both engaging and comprehensive. Once you've completed your formatting and are happy with how everything looks, simply click the Save button, and there you have it. Your card is now filled with clearly articulated and well-organized content, ready to support your project needs. That's all there is to it. With this understanding, you can leverage Trello's text editor to its fullest potential, ensuring your communication is both effective and aesthetically pleasing. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial makes your Trello experience even more productive.